Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to design cover art post with transparent text in Figma. This is a fantastic technique for creating eye-catching social media graphics where your text reveals an image behind it, making your designs look polished and professional. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's dive right in. First, open your Figma application and navigate to the project or file where you want to create this cover art post. Once you're in your workspace, look at the bottom toolbar and click on the rectangle shape tool. Drag it across your frame to create a rectangle. This rectangle will act as the container for your background image, so make sure it covers the area where you want the image to appear. Now, on the right side panel, you'll see the Fill section. Click on the color swatch under Fill, and you'll notice an image icon. Click on that icon and select Upload from Computer to bring in your desired image. Go ahead and upload the image you want to use as your background. This image will be the focal point that shows through your text later, so choose something visually striking. Next, click the rectangle shape tool again from the bottom toolbar and drag another rectangle onto your frame. This rectangle will serve as a border or frame element. On the right side panel, click the minus icon beside Fill to remove the solid color fill. Then click the plus icon beside Stroke to add a border outline. Adjust the stroke color to something that complements your design and set the weight to 5 inches to make it visible and prominent. Now create another rectangle by clicking the rectangle shape tool once more and dragging it onto your frame. Position this one to the side of your design. Change the color of this rectangle to whatever you prefer. This rectangle will serve as the background behind your text, creating a clean surface for the transparent text effect to stand out. At the bottom toolbar, click on the text icon and type out a quote or motivational phrase on this last rectangle you just created. This text will eventually reveal the image beneath it, so choose something short and impactful. Once you've typed your text, reposition it so it's centered or placed exactly where you want it to appear on your cover art. Here's where the magic happens. On the left side panel, make sure the text element is positioned above all other layers in your layer stack. This is crucial for the masking effect to work properly. Click on the text layer, and then on the right side panel, click the 3 dots to open more options. From the menu, select Use as Mask. This turns your text into a mask that will reveal whatever is behind it. Now, on the left side panel, find the rectangle layer that contains your background image. Right-click on it and duplicate it. Once duplicated, drag this duplicate layer to the top of your layer stack so it sits directly above the text mask layer. The image will now show through your text, creating that transparent text effect you're looking for. And that's it. You've successfully created a cover art post with transparent text in Figma. This technique adds a professional touch to any social media graphic and makes your design stand out. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.